Today, you will learn how to switch to outline view in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. To switch to outline view in Microsoft Word, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. In the Views section of the ribbon, click on Outline. As soon as you click it, your document will change into a new mode that looks different from print layout or web layout. This special mode is made only for organizing your content using headings and levels. When you enter Outline View, you will notice a new tab called Outlining in the ribbon. This tab has all the tools you need to manage your document structure. The most important thing here is something called Outline Level. By default, Word starts you at level 1. You can see your current level in the Outline Level drop-down box on the left side of the ribbon. These levels are very important. Level 1 is your main heading, Level 2 is a subheading under it, Level 3 is a subpoint under that, and it continues like this. You can change the level anytime using the drop-down list. On both sides of this box, you will see arrow buttons. The arrows on the right side demote your text to a lower level, a single arrow moves it down one level, and the double arrow turns it into normal body text. The arrows on the left side promote your text to a higher level. A single arrow moves it up one level, and the double arrow sends it to the highest level. This means you don't need to cut and paste or manually rearrange text. You simply click a line and change its level. Instantly, Word understands the structure of your document. Below these level tools, you will see up and down arrow buttons. These are used to rearrange your points. If you want a heading to appear above or below another heading, just select it and click the up or down arrow. This is extremely useful when you are planning your document and want to change the order of your ideas quickly. You will also see plus and minus signs. These allow you to expand and collapse levels. If you're working on a long document, you can collapse sections that you don't need to see right now and focus only on the part you are working on. Another very helpful tool here is the Show Level drop-down list. This lets you control which levels are visible on your screen. For example, if you select Level 3, Word will only show Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Everything below that will be hidden. This is perfect when you want to focus only on main points without seeing too much detail. You will also find two checkboxes. If you uncheck Show Text Formatting, Word will remove all formatting, like bold, font styles, and sizes, so you can see a clean, plain outline. If you check Show First Line Only, Word will only show the first line of each heading or point, which is very helpful when your points are long. Now comes a very advanced but powerful feature called Subdocuments, which is part of the Master Document tools. If you click Show Document, you will see options to insert or create subdocuments. This means you can attach other Word files inside your current document. For example, if you are making a business file and want to include a contract or agreement saved separately, you can insert it here. After inserting a subdocument, you can collapse it so that only a link is visible and expand it whenever you want to see its content. There are also options like Unlink, which removes the connection and copies the text into your current document, Merge, which combines multiple subdocuments into one, Split, which separates content into different files, and Lock Document, which prevents changes from affecting subdocuments. These options become active only when they are needed. You can continue working in Outline View as long as you want, but if you want to return to your normal document view, simply click Close Outline View in the ribbon. Word will switch back to print layout, web layout, or read mode. The best part is that all the structure you created using Outline View will still be there, and now you can collapse and expand headings easily using the small arrows next to them. If you found this feature helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.